Hello everyone. Now we are going to perform experiment number 21. The title or the aim of this experiment is to prepare and submit gargle containing potassium chlorate. First of all, gargles are aqueous solution used to treat the throat infection. Okay. So these gargles are used to treat or any type of infection if in throat, then gargles are used. The apparatus used in these practicals are beaker, glass rod, funnel, measuring cylinder and filter paper. Okay, these are the ingredients for the preparation of potassium chlorate gargles with respect to their quantities for 1000 ml. We have to send 30 ml. 1 ounce means 30 ml. Okay, तो पोटेशियम क्लोरेट दिया है 30 ग्राम, पेटेंट ब्लू विट्रॉल है 0.01 ग्राम, देन लिक्विफाइड फिनॉल 15 ml एंड वाटर है अप टू 1000 ml, क्वांटिटी सफिशिएंट. देन there is not given quantity in imperial system, it is directly in metric system. We have to first of all calculate factor, that is 30 divided by 1000, 0.03. So you will get the quantity to be taken. Now see the procedure. Weigh accurately potassium chlorate and dissolve in 3/4 volume of warm water, cool and liquefied phenol. Add the dye solution, that is patent blue, and filter the जो रिजल्टिंग सॉल्यूशन है उसको फिल्टर करना है. देन वॉल्यूम मेकअप करना है हमें विद द हेल्प ऑफ वाटर टू मेक द वॉल्यूम टोटल अप टू 30 ml and transfer to the light resistant bottle to protect that solution or that content from the light. Properly attach label and submit the gargle. ओके तो ये गार्गल में डायरेक्शन ऐसे भी दी जाती है कि दे आर, हमने बोला था कि ये एक्वस फॉर्म में होता है, बट दे आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड फॉर्म. पेशेंट कैन यूज बिफोर यूज, they can mix with warm water before using. Okay, and then patient can use that gargle to treat the throat infection. Okay, here is the label, use of preparation for throat infection, then result and solve any 5 question. Okay, then start with practical. I have taken here all the ingredients. Okay. This is potassium chlorate, patent blue, and this is liquefied phenol, and this is warm water. Okay, first of all I am going to add potassium chlorate in 3/4 volume of warm water. Okay, हमें 3/4 वॉल्यूम वार्म वाटर में ऐड करना है. मिक्स इट प्रॉपरली, डिजॉल्व द पोटेशियम क्लोरेट. ओके, कूल होने तक हमें वेट करना है. After cooling, you have to add liquefied phenol 0.9 ml. Mix it properly. I have made the dye solution, okay, from patent blue. Now I am going to add in this solution. Mix it properly. If any particles will be there, you have to filter it. Okay, filter the solution. If there is a chances of presence of any foreign matter, then that will be filtered. Okay, see, after filtration you have to adjust the volume up to 30 ml, then add some of water to make the solution or gargle up to 30 ml. Okay, now this is the final quantity. Okay, this is our potassium chlorate gargle. Okay, thank you.